In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to optimize images for search engines. Optimizing images for search engines is a crucial aspect of overall search engine optimization, or SEO strategy, for several compelling reasons, like to enhance visibility in image search results. Image search is a significant component of online search behavior. When users look for specific products, information, or visual content, they often turn to images. Optimizing your images ensures they appear prominently in image search results, increasing the chances of attracting relevant traffic to your website. Diversified traffic source. Optimized images can attract organic traffic from sources beyond text-based search results. Appearing in image search results can expose your website to a broader audience, potentially bringing in users who prefer visual content consumption. Incorporating image optimization practices as part of your broader SEO strategy can bring tangible benefits, including increased organic traffic, better user engagement, and a competitive edge in the online landscape. As search engines continue to evolve, optimizing images becomes an integral part of staying visible and relevant to your target audience. In this amazing tutorial, we'll delve into both types of optimization to ensure that your website's images are perfectly tailored for optimal performance and increased visibility, and also how to optimize images for more and more traffic. Before we start, we post WordPress-related content regularly, so make sure you like the video and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get new video updates. Now, let's learn how to optimize images for performance. Ensuring that your images don't compromise your website's performance is crucial. Large, unoptimized images can lead to slow loading pages, harming user experience and SEO rankings. There are three parameters that are key to optimizing images for performance. They're resolution, image format, and compression. So let me explain these parameters by using an example. As you can see, this image is here. I've downloaded this from an online source like Unsplash. Now, I've already compressed this image and downloaded it. This one is the compressed image. You can see the difference in the size of both of these images here. There's a massive difference. On average, the size of a web page is a few kilobytes, so having these big images will cause them to load very slowly. I've even changed the image format here to WebP, or Web Picture format. You can see the size of this image varies completely without losing image quality. So the three parameters can help a lot with the website's performance. Now I'll show you how to change image format, and how to compress images for better web performance. But before that, you should know that most website themes define the container width, or how wide the site can actually go. I'm using the Astra theme for this tutorial. So I'll go to the Theme Customizer, and then click on Global, and click on the container. You can see the container width here. It means the website won't go wider than 1200 pixels. So we need to adjust the resolution of images based on your website's layout. Aim for a maximum width of around 2000 pixels to ensure compatibility with most devices and screen sizes. Google values fast-loading websites, making it essential to optimize your images for improved performance. So, let's first learn how to resize your images for better performance. You can simply visit this amazing website called resizepixels.com. I'll provide the website link in the description. You can visit this website using the link. This is the online editor where you can resize image pixels. This is completely free. You don't need to download anything. You simply need to upload your images here. So, let's simply upload the image over here. Once the image is uploaded, you can see the resolution of this image over here. You can see the original image resolution over here for now. It's very massive. So, we'll first look out for a resolution. To change it, you simply need to resize the image. Instead of 4000 here, make it 2000. Once done, simply click on Resize. Now, once the image is resized, you can see the difference here. You can see the huge change here just by changing the image resolution. Now it's time to compress this image. So go to Compress. I'll let it remain to Auto. And simply click on Compress here. You can see the file is reduced by 3%. You can simply compress it again to see if it compresses more. Once done, now let's convert the image to the correct format. Simply go to Convert, select the correct WebP format over here, and click on Convert. WebP images are generally smaller in file size compared to equivalent quality JPEG and PNG images. This means that your website's pages will load faster, especially for users on slower connections or mobile devices. Now, once converted, you can see a major difference here. You can simply go to Download and download this image. This was the process for images that have not been uploaded on your site yet. But what is there for already uploaded images? Here's how to optimize the already uploaded images. To do that, we're going to use a plugin. So let's log into the WordPress website, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Simply search for the EWWW Image Optimizer plugin. From the list of various plugins here, we're looking for this one. So, simply click on Install Now, and once done, click on Activate. Now, to configure the plugin, simply click on Settings. It'll ask us a few questions in order to recommend the best settings for the site. So, you just need to select the goal over here, and we'll stick to the free mode as of now. Once done, click on Next. Now, there are a few more options here. I'd recommend you leave these options enabled. Backing up local images is also fine. You can change the resolution here to make it 2000 instead of 1920, but it's pretty good as well. I'll keep these options off for now. Moving further, simply save the settings, and now click on Done. Now, there are various more settings to configure here. We've configured most of them, but a couple are left. Don't forget to check the box beside Add Missing Dimension, as this will help improve the user experience. The rest of the settings you can check and configure as per your requirement. Now, scroll and click on Save Settings. And that's it. Now, every time we upload an image here, the plugin will automatically work on the image for better performance. And now it's time to test the plugin. Let's see by adding an image. To do so, hover over Media and click on Library. Click on Add New, and let me upload an image over here. Now, all of these images have been uploaded here. To view all the details, simply switch to the list view using this icon over here. You can see all the details here, like the image's 6-sized compressed, the size reduced by how much %, and everything has been done automatically. You don't need to do anything. And you see, that's how easy it is. Everything is automated. This was for the new images that you uploaded. But what about the images you already uploaded earlier on your site? For that, simply go to Bulk Optimize. Here, you need to simply click on this Scan button over here. And this will search for all the unoptimized images on the site. You can see that I've found 8 unoptimized images that need to be optimized. So you simply need to click this button, and the plugin will simply start working on these images as well. And within a few seconds, it'll be done. So I've told you the manual as well as the automated processes for both the new uploads and existing ones. And this was all about how to optimize images for better performance. Now, let's move on to get maximum traffic to your site. Optimizing images for SEO involves enhancing metadata and using best practices to attract organic traffic from search engines. We're going to be changing various image details like the image names. We'll rename images with descriptive, relevant file names that reflect their content. Avoid generic names like img123.jpg. Then we'll change the alt text. Alt text helps search engines understand images and aids accessibility for users. Then we're going to add a title. Add a descriptive title to images. Titles contribute to metadata and provide additional context. And here's the bonus tip, or the recommendation, which is to add captions. Adding captions to images will help add value to your content because captions provide context and can engage users. So, let's move to the WordPress website and head to the media library. You can see that I've already uploaded the image here. In case you want to change the metadata of this image, simply click on it. And here you can add all the image-related details here. You can add the alternative text here, and you can change the title and add captions. Removing the title for now, we're going to add something else as the title, which will describe the image in a better way. Now let's add the alternative text here first. Adding accurate and meaningful alt text to your images is an important step in making your website more inclusive and accessible to all users. It also helps search engines understand the context of your images, which can positively impact your website's search engine rankings. Also add the title that describes the image completely. This will be saved automatically. You can repeat the process with each and every image you upload. But what about the images that you've already added to the posts earlier? You can update each and every piece of information here. But what about the image names? Image names are very, very crucial. So we have a plugin that is going to solve every problem. In order to do that, we got to install the plugin. Move back to the dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Simply search for Rename Images. From the list of various plugins, this is the plugin that we're searching for. This is an amazing plugin by Jordy Meow. Simply click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. Once the plugin is installed and activated, you can find Meow Apps in the sidebar. Simply hover over it and click on Renamer to configure the plugin. The plugin offers various different settings. The plugin also offers manual as well as automated methods. Let's explore the manual method. For that, we're going to keep the automated method disabled here. Under the manual settings, we're going to enable the rename field, and we'll also enable sanitize. Exploring extra options, enable on upload. Enable images only. Under side updates, enable posts, and UI extra features, enable undo. We're going to enable the alt field as well. And these are all the general settings. Let's move to the advanced settings. Here we can disable the automatic renamer, untick the box beside the manual rename, and the settings will be saved automatically. Once everything's in place, move back to the media library and go to Renamer. And now you can see all the images that have been uploaded to the site. In case you want to view the image and understand more about it, click on it, and you can see the image in a much better way. Now, In case you want to rename it, click here, select the text, and rename it here like this. Once you're done, click on Rename, and the image will be renamed. Similarly, to edit alternate text, click here on this button and add the alt text here like this. You can also edit the title from here, and you see how easy it is to do all that. And once you optimize the image, you can simply lock it from here. In case you want to see an optimized image, you can click here on Locked and see the images here. And the images that are still unlocked are the ones that need to be optimized, so it keeps the process very simple. Now, let's add this image to the post and see if the image is added with all the details. So, let's go to Posts and click on Add New. Let's add an image block here. Simply click on Add Media from the library, and clicking on the image here, this will show you the image details that we entered using the plugin. So everything has been done, and the image has been optimized, and the details have been added. So click on Select, and you can see the alt text has been added here, which will help optimize the post. For captions, you need to add them manually. Just enable the caption option from here. Now, just simply type the caption over here, and you can add more details to the post as per your need, and then publish or save the post. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your website's image SEO, improve website performance, and attract more organic traffic through search engine visibility. Remember that image optimization is an ongoing process, and regularly reviewing and updating your image's metadata is essential for maintaining optimal results. Now, let's talk about attachment pages. Attachment pages are individual web pages that are automatically generated by WordPress for each media file you upload, such as images, videos, audio files, and documents. These pages display the media file along with some metadata, such as the title, caption, and description of the file. Attachment pages are created to provide a way to view and access media files in a standalone manner. Let me show you how to view it. For that, simply move back and visit the media library. Clicking on this image over here, you can see the View Attachment Page link here. This attachment page has its own unique URL and displays the image along with any associated information added, such as the image title, caption, and description. One should disable these attachment pages as they have some drawbacks. If search engines are crawling and indexing attachment pages, it can waste your website's crawl budget, which is the number of pages search engines are willing to crawl on your site. This can potentially lead to less important pages being indexed while more valuable pages are left unindexed. Attachment pages might not provide substantial content for search engines to index, which can impact the overall SEO of your website. Additionally, having multiple pages with similar content can dilute the SEO value of your site. To address these issues, many website owners choose to either disable attachment pages altogether or optimize them for better SEO and user experience. This can be done through various methods, such as using SEO plugins to redirect attachment page URLs to the parent post or directly to the media file. So we'll have to also solve the issue with the help of a plugin. So simply move back, go to Plugins, and click on Add New. Search for the All-in-One SEO plugin. From the list of plugins, this is the one that we're looking for. Simply click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. We're going to simply head to the plugin's dashboard. Let's simply move to Search Appearances. And from various tabs here, simply go to Image SEO. Head to the Settings, Redirects Attachment URL. Right now it's disabled, that's why we're redirected to the URL. In the case of attachment pages, you have the option to rewrite the URLs so that they either point directly to the image file or to the parent post. If you set the option to Attachment, it means that when someone clicks on an attachment page URL, they'll be taken directly to the image file itself. This is useful if you want users to view the image without any additional content or metadata displayed on the attachment page. If you set the option to Attachment Parent, it means that when someone clicks on an attachment page URL, they'll be redirected to the parent post that contains the image. This can be helpful if you have a post with multiple images and you want users to see the entire context of the post along with the image they clicked on. Ultimately, the choice between attachment and attachment parent depends on your website's structure, content organization, and user experience goals. Once selected, simply click on Save Changes. Let's move to the media library and check the plugin in action. Once the page loads, open up the image here. Click on the View Attachment page, and this time you can see the only image over here. Optimizing images for both website performance and search engine visibility is a multifaceted task. By focusing on resolution, compression, image formats, metadata optimization, and attachment page URL redirection, you can ensure that your website's images contribute positively to your overall SEO strategy. Keep refining your image optimization practices to continually enhance your website's user experience and search engine rankings. And this was all about how to optimize images for search engines. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.